This thing was supposed to start at 6 o'clock, but we're just leaving now. So we're on the way to Tandemonium. Justin, his buddy, Joey's in there somewhere. Where is he at? There he is. But yeah. Tandemonium, here we go. It's the entertainment watching friggin' SLS while driving. Damn, dude. Big wing gang. This is so annoying. It doesn't lock. Come on, man. This ain't intercourse. Alright. Dude, do we never leave these things on time?
Dude, these seats suck.
This kid's pissed because he got freaking Walmart Sparkos and Corbos. He's pissed that he can't get brides.
My seats are great and they fit
blah,
good.
blah 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 blah. Just yo, great talk. We made it. Look at all that smoke, dude. Alright, man. Thank you.
All set. Have a good one.
You too. Grab that. Where'd our buddies go? I don't know. I don't even know where they parked. Oh look, they're running. How fun. Oh shit, someone's Z got wrecked.
They just called your name. Oh, it's...
Yo, look at that.
It's parked right here. Right in front of Marcus's car.
You ready to do a tandem run?
My fucking hydro snap first lap. We're going like 100 into this.
Joe, where'd you park your car, dude?
My car's at the house. The turbo.
I don't know, man. I see the smoke coming out.
Oh shit, Joey's car. Oh shit. Actually, that's
Tire smoke.
Sorry, everyone.
Damn, how fast are those guys going? Like 50?
I don't know. I tried going 100 in my hydro snaps.
On your first run?
First, we're entering. It's coming in hot, dude. Went to pull it.
Wait, you and Marcus in the car?
My hand, and I'm like, oh shit, oh shit. So I just clutch kicked and went.
Oh my god.
This just makes you want to get out there and go.
That looks fun. Man, you're not gonna? Did you bring your car out?
No, I got just one set of tires. The ones that are on it.
Okay, just do one, dude. Just do one run. Just do one run.
I mean, it's all that I get with that. The tire's already gone.
Oh shit.
I'd be out there. Wow.
You ready to go ham?
I'm gonna try. Honestly, I'm just gonna take it easy. Like my first lap, I just want to get used to the go-kart track. Cause honestly, I was already nervous that the corners were really tight, and now I'm even more nervous.
It's your first time at PBIR, right?
Huh?
It's your first time at PBIR.
Yeah. I don't have my handicap anymore.
Mm.
My handbrake was my handicap. Now it's all or nothing. Listen to this, dude. You ready? Peter, you're gonna want to
Pretty good. It's fun.
Well, listen to the exhaust.
Yeah, dude. Do it again.
The vape machine.
Did you go over? How did it sound on the limit?
Sounds good. All right.
Yeah.
There's Chris. So one of the best drift cars over here. It's Crown Vic.
I think it's so dope, bro.
Police Interceptor. You think it's thick?
No, it's not that. Look at the front wheels though.
Jack, the annual beer.
13.
What is it?
Annual beer this year is going to be a Modelo.
What is it going to be though? Like what special? 4th of July?
I don't know. It's a surprise. You never know when it's going to
I
happen.
got to be there though. Me and Joe got to be there.
13-1 at 11:03.
It's Jack's annual beer and my annual tequila shot.
Celebrities.
I mean, is that damn, look at that burnt ass f***ing sausage, dude.
It's okay. Get the fuck out of here.
Dude, that shit is burnt to
It's always
hell.
about to deep throw the fucking hot dog.
I don't care. I'm trying to talk about that burnt ass hot dog, son.
Yeah, bro.
Burger was kind of weird, so I had to get some real shit over here. Lay tacos, rice and beans, and Palm Beach's world famous tacos al carbone. Where'd you guys go?
We were sitting right over there. What'd you get? Tacos al carbone?
I got both. I got red truck and tacos al carbon fiber. Yeah.
You look drunk as that beer messed you up.
I didn't do anything, dude.
Your face is red.
You got screwed up.
Because I'm fucking lit.
God, whose dog is this?
Yeah, good one.
God. Yeah, so close, dude.
Yeah, you're gonna see the toilet tonight.
Don't you dare disrespect tacos al carbone, right?
Vlogger.
Damn, dude, I gotta add him on my vlog. Dude, look at that.
Name of the title, huh?
Points, yeah. I'll tag you.
You gotta send him a check.
I caught Adam saying the F word. That's like gold right there.
Yeah, he must not be watching the new stuff because I'm dropping F-bombs left and right.
Oh!
Have you seen those?
What is that?
They're potato chips. All different types of potato chips, different flavors. If you can guess the flavor, you get a prize. Oh, I'm really bad at that. You gonna do it?
They're free? I'll just try them?
Yeah, no, might as well try, take a guess. Alright, yeah. Doesn't hurt to be wrong. Exactly. Nice necklace. Oh, thank you. You guys have all different flavors.
Is this corn?
That was this one?
Yeah.
Maybe. What's your guess? Like squid or something. Think so?
Definitely corn. I get a prize, right?
Yes, you do if you get it right.
Takes like Old Bay.
Old May?
Yeah, that's
what the seasoning?
Yeah, Old Bay seasoning.
That's bacon? Alright. So, you're right.
I got it right. What'd I get?
It's a sweet corn. He'll give you a prize.
Alright.
Yours is actually.
I mean, car show's been good too.
Flavor right.
Really?
Yeah. You got it all? Okay.
Tell me you guys have ever played Gran Turismo 3? Carlos got the f***ing 787B pants on right now. Look at that. I had to shout him out. Oh, that doesn't look stock at all.
Let's run it.
LS swap.
Cincinnati.
Here's a Drift M45.
Shout out the US Drift Circuit. Independent Raps. Corona. The Girl Scout cookies over there.
It's like Z Heaven over here. We're leaving. We're out.
Alright, later.
See ya. Are you done running or are you going again?
No, I'm done. I'm just waiting for my tires to be mounted. My car started overheating. It started weird. I just rather just leave it alone.
Where's Marcus?
Did your zip ties stay?
No. I actually went to go pull it and the bottle cap squished.
Oh.
Yeah, so I didn't even get to use it.
Yikes.
Jesus Christ. I'm just got to pull the transmission like actually mounted.
Is there ever never a problem?
I got super good footage of driving Adam Z.
That was sick.
Dude, me and Carlo were in the stands. We were like,
was so
Jack
good.
looks like he's about to get sick.
YouTube, Joey's. I'm not about to get sick. I did get some rubber in my eye.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did that
hurt.
driving.
Remember that? I had the open face helmet,
Oh.
and then when we were with Taylor, I felt something in my eye. It got weird after that because I had to like cover my eye while we were going. I'm like, oh.
Yeah. Just gonna slowly walk away over here. It's getting kind of late. Slip past the conversation.
What's that oil? All this oil coming from? Where's 60? Right here, but.
Ask Joe, he'd know.
Oh, it's probably coming off
Head
your
gasket
cooler.
Right there?
No, it's coming out of the cooler. It's like splashing up.
What's this over here? Is this oil too? Or is that water?
You're gonna destroy this fucking thing. It's not knocking, is it?
Should I start it?
You should probably put some oil in it.
Dude, now you're stressing me out.
Do you have any oil? Find some oil. That's too low.
I'll be stressed out. Pico, do you have extra oil in your car?
Yeah.
No, I don't have.
Oh, you don't have oil in your car?
I don't have oil at all, son.
Bad shit's gonna happen.
Dude, why is it leaking so bad?
Well, you're redlining the shit out of it. I mean...
Oh, there's oil everywhere.
Oh, it is? I didn't see the side. Where's Marcus?
Yeah, he's out.
Oh, he's waiting for the tires, I think.
No, he's out drifting.
Really?
Yeah, with 1J2.
Oh, he's riding. He's doing a ride along. Sick.